Hey guys, welcome back. Today's look is going to be on this very sort of sultry cat eye, but it's blended, it's smoky. It's just perfect for a nighttime. I love how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm super dry, so I'm gonna start with a lip balm. This is by Fresh. It's so hydrating. We gotta change the battery. Can a girl start? No? Okay. I'm gonna use my Pores No More by Dr. Brant, and I'm just gonna apply this where I have larger pores. It kind of just mattifies everything. As you can see, it takes the shine away and fills in the pores, which works. And this is the product. I just got a facial. It was on stories if you guys watched it. And I had a pimple right here. It was like a big one, okay? But it was under my skin. So there was no way to extract it. And she was like, do you want me to inject it and it'll go away? And I'm like, what? I'd never heard of that before. And I was like, sure, is it safe? And she said, yeah, it's saline water. So she injected it and it literally disappeared the next day. It was so insane. But obviously you can still see the mark, which we can cover with like concealer, so I'm not too worried. My skin has been so good. Like, I usually complain, but look, I've got marks but no pimples. Doing my base and then chat. I'm gonna try this foundation for the first time by Dior. It's the Forever Skin Glow. It has my name on it because it was in PR. It's very dark actually, but I'm gonna balance it out with my concealer because I really want to try it. I haven't tried it yet. See how dark it is, but I'll work with it. So anyway, I've been really laying low on the sugar. I mean, not a lot of chocolate and everything. And then today for the first time, I was really craving chocolate. So I literally took a little bite of it. And I'm trying to be good because I know that my skin just reacts so badly to sugar and dairy and all of that. So trying to be good. They say if you have adult acne, a lot of times it is caused by foods, and unless it's like hormonal, but for sure mine is a lot of times from food because I realize that when I have a little bit of dairy or even just sweets in general, I just break out like crazy. Okay, so this foundation is actually really nice, but it's so dark for my skin tone, so I need to figure something out. I also have this Nars foundation, and this one's quite light, so I think I'm just gonna have to mix it up because I thought I can fix it with concealer, but it's a little too dark. Yeah, I can balance it out. And just so you know, the Dior shade is 3WO. That's much better. For my concealer, I'm gonna try this Smashbox one. I think I've used this once before. I can't quite remember because it reminds me of the MAC one, so I don't remember if it was this or the MAC ones, but let's give it a go. This is in the shade Light Medium. I'm gonna use my damp beauty blender to blend everything in place. Pretty good. The foundations actually work really well together. Sometimes when you mix two different brands, it could be a bit tricky, but this worked really well. Gotta cover the ears so it's not red. Okay, moving on to contouring. I'm gonna use the KKW Beauty in Medium. I love this stuff. I haven't used it in a while since I got the Milk one, but this formula is amazing too. It actually reminds me a lot of the Milk formula, but this is a lot more precise. So it just depends on like if you like more of a jumbo stick or a thinner stick. I'm kind of contouring a little differently these days. I really like applying bronzer on the tip and blending it. I don't know why, I feel like that works really well. This formula blends like a dream. It's seriously amazing. I've been hooked on Younger on Hulu. I've been watching it like non-stop. I think I'm on like episode 12, season 2. It's so good, and Hilary Duff is amazing in it. I love her. So I've been watching that. It's been very like light and refreshing. I even go to the gym and like just play it on the treadmill because it just, you know, time flies. If I can just watch one episode and stay on the treadmill, I'm happy. I'm gonna use this Lawless powder to bake, lightly bake. And I'm gonna do my brows because they're getting a little out of control. For my brows, I'm gonna use this Glossier Boy Brow, and this is in the shade Brown. I feel like if you're on the go, these things are so amazing to use because it fills in the sparse areas, but then it also just brushes everything, so it colors, fills it in. Very easy to use, effortless. See? I am gonna go back and shape just a little bit right there, but other than that, I think it's pretty cool. And the color is great, actually. I have a confession to make. I was so lazy to tweeze my brows today, so I used this guy, shaped it with it. I mean, you have to be very careful if you're gonna shape with it, but if you're lazy like me, it works. Lazy or busy, I should say, you know, because ain't nobody got time for that. This eyebrow I made a little dark. Do we like this color on me? I'm gonna use a brow pencil. This one's by Mercier, and I'm just gonna fill in and shape right here a little bit. This is if you're being really anal, you know? I'm having decaf coffee. I don't know why. I probably need caffeine right now. But I already had coffee this morning, so I'm trying to be good about that too. I'm going to apply this Mercier bronzer on top just because I feel like I need a little bit more color, you know? And then I'm going to pretty much use this as blush. There we go. It's good enough. I'm going to go into this palette right here and use the lightest shade. It's called Turn Up. And I'm just going to apply this on the high points of my cheeks. I like it. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, I feel like I spent so much time on my base and my brows. I don't know why, but let's just move on. I have this vision of doing like a cat eye, so let's see where this vision takes me, because sometimes I think I'm gonna create something and then it ends up looking like something else. Not in a bad way, but you know, just the direction sometimes changes. I'm gonna start with this palette. This literally just came in the mail. I know I said that for the other stuff, but I just unboxed a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna try this for the first time. The colors are neutral. There's some pink blush tones, browns. I'm gonna go in with this light brown shade. And I'm just gonna apply this on my crease to open up that fold. I kind of feel like using this retro color right there. I don't know why, it's called my name. Let's give it a shot. Ooh, I like it. Really cute. It's like a soft peach. By the way, how many of you guys watched my latest video, the Sona vlogs video finally? I haven't been as consistent with Sunday vlogs, but this one was so cool because I organized my closet, I got some help, and I got rid of, basically I gave away 85% of my clothes. I ended up ordering a few like staples, but now I have like very little compared to what I had, and everything is just so simple. Getting ready is so much easier too, and like less stressful and overwhelming. It was like one of the best things I could have done. I highly recommend it. If you guys haven't watched it, go watch it because you're gonna get inspired and hopefully like get some tips on where to start and how to do it. I had so much fun doing that video. I'm gonna play with that retro shade again. It's a really pretty shade, and I'm just gonna apply this on my bottom lash line. I think I'm gonna leave it at this because I do want to do the cat eye like I said. For my liner, I'm gonna go in with the Persona Cosmetics in brown. For now, this is only in the copper kit, but we are gonna sell these individually very soon because this is definitely my favorite liner for sure, but like every time I use it, you guys ask if we can bring it individually. So we're making it happen. It's gonna be on the site in a few weeks. Keep up with our socials, and as soon as it's out, we'll announce it there. But anyway, I'm gonna use this brown shade, and I'm gonna first apply this on the inner rim of my eye, and then we'll tightline with it. So now I'm gonna apply this really, really close to my lash line. So I'm going really, really tight, small strokes as you can see. And then I'm gonna bring this down to my bottom lash line. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. So now that the color is roughly there, we're gonna go ahead and grab a brush. I'm gonna dip it into this brown shade, and I'm gonna start to sort of like blend this so it doesn't look harsh. So I'm basically going over the liner with a brown shadow because I love how soft it looks. It kind of softens the edges. Looks more lived in, you know? That's what I was going for. I love it. I feel like I'm gonna switch my liner now and use a black on the inner rim because I want this to be super dark. So the black one we sell individually. So if you wanna try the formula, this is a good one to start with. I like how dark that is. I'm gonna grab a little bit of my foundation and just clean up. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do this side and we'll move on to the mascara. Just finished the other eye. Are they even? Let's see. This one looks a little bit thicker. Let's go back. Does it? Or am I tripping? Yeah, I think here I need a little more. I also applied a little bit of blush because I felt like I needed it. I just used this Buxom color in Wonderlust. I just feel like it flows better. I needed some blush. You know, I'm a blush girl. You guys know that by now. I'm gonna apply a light layer of mascara because I'm gonna apply some lashes. So let's curl the lashes. This is the Rimmel London Scandalized Mascara. I'm assuming it's new because it was in that package, but it might not be. I don't know. Ooh, I like it. It's like a really different type of brush. So it's like combing the hair. So for my lashes, I have to test a few. Let's see. I can either go super dramatic. These are Ardell in number 113. I kind of love these. Ooh. No, I like these. We're gonna go with 113. I still hate applying lashes. Oh, it's such a pain in the ass. Okay, these lashes are gorgeous. For like a full lash, it's so natural looking. I mean, it's, you know what I mean. What a difference. Okay, I'm just gonna apply this other one off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, the eyes are done. I love how it turned out. So for my lips, I'm gonna do something nude so that it doesn't like clash. And so I'm gonna go in with the Persona Cosmetics OG Liquid Matte. And I think if you want this look to be even more effortless, you can just throw on like a clear gloss or a balm or just like a really effortless lip. But either way, I think it looks really good. I love how it looks for like an evening look like this. I was gonna put my hair down, but I think I'm just gonna leave it up. I think it looks really good with the cat eye. It kind of pulls my eye. So that's it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and of course hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I do upload. Other than that, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys. Because I do, well, wow, I cannot talk today. Organizing, what am I saying? Oh, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's what I need to say. I'm really bad at this. Ghetto Fabulous. This is where my mic is living right now. Yeah, I like it. Okay. Wow, I sound so dead. Fusion Flush. No, that's not what it's called.